Western Process Computers, Inc. provides certified, tested, like-new hardware to worldwide users of Honeywell DCS systems, specializing in data highway, LCN, and UCN equipment. Our exclusive focus is on Honeywell DCS hardware. This is our specialty. This is all that we do. Western Process Computers supplies tested and guaranteed equipment ranging from single printed circuit boards to fully customized cabinets and consoles. Our inventory primarily consists of surplus equipment purchased from Honeywell users after it is no longer in service. We arrange for our technician to deinstall and prepare the equipment for shipment. When the equipment arrives at WPC, a preliminary screening for damage, corrosion, and revision level is performed. The parts are then inventoried by date code and revision. Parts that pass this initial screening proceed through our 5-step testing procedure. We begin the testing procedure by thoroughly examining parts for damage, broken or cut components, and evidence of corrosion. Items that are damaged, corroded, or do not meet revision standards are scrapped. Parts in good condition are cleaned and moved on to the next step. All items are handled using anti-static procedures. Parts are installed in the appropriate test chassis and powered up. Some components or units perform a self-test. If a part fails its initial test, it is scrapped. WPC replaces aged electrolytic capacitors, relays, and power reset buttons as needed. UCN power supplies are refurbished with new fans and new electrolytic capacitors. WPC operates multiple test beds for various Honeywell hardware generations, including a data highway for testing operator stations and controllers, a full LCN running multiple universal stations and node types, and a UCN to test IOPs and FTAs. Our test beds verify I/O channels, calibrations, and each item undergoes its unique part-specific test procedure to ensure it meets original specifications. We have an offline LCN test bed for HVTS procedures and GUS PC loading and testing. Once a part passes their initial functionality test, they undergo a continuous 48-hour burn-in phase to ensure long-term reliability. After the 48-hour burn-in phase, we conduct a complete retest to verify functionality, making sure all points are exercised and redundancy tested where appropriate. If the part passes all test phases, we issue the test certificate and prepare it for shipment to the customer. Each item is carefully packaged to prevent damage during handling and transportation, including against static electricity. Our testing facility and procedures are designed to ensure the equipment we provide is reliable and meets the highest quality standards. We guarantee your satisfaction for everything we sell.